A popular vacuum cleaner that is perfect for picking up pet hair and clearing the entire home is currently in a limited-time sale on Amazon. The Vax Blade 4 Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has been slashed by 38%, down from £259.99 to £159.97, that's a total saving of £100.02. This Vax Hoover is perfect for tougher cleaning and busier homes as it has a motorized pet tool for scooping up excess hair. This tool agitates and lifts stubborn dirt and pet hair, making light work of cleaning pet beds, car boots and upholstery. The antimicrobial protection helps the vacuum bristles be protected from fungi growth. Shoppers have been scooping up this vacuum cleaner with over 400 purchased in the past month and an average rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. One happy customer wrote, "This replaced my old Vax machine which had lost power. It's smaller and more powerful than my old one, although it doesn't stand up by itself, so you have to keep holding it or lie it down to move chairs etc. Great for regular cleaning. If you did a big clean, you'd need to empty it quite often." Another said, "It is a mighty vacuum, it has great suction and the cordlessness makes it easy to move around and control." Saying that however there are some cons, but these cons do not hinder the product whatsoever, "I just wanted to be honest. The battery life could be longer and the bag gets filled rather quickly, quicker than expected anyway. All in all the product is a good one, I 100% recommend it." A third added, "Fab vacuum cleaner. A little heavy in hand at first, but you get used to it. Picks up well. Pet attachment works excellently, cat hair. My 5-year-old has taken over doing the vacuuming now. Battery lasts reasonably well, but charges quickly, so no complaints from us." And a fourth noted, "This is a great machine. It has all the best features of a cordless vacuum and has made them better. Before this Vax I used a Dyson rechargeable, but always found the latter blocked easy and when emptying it was quite fiddly. The dust/dirt container on the Vax is larger than the Dyson and is much easier to empty because it detaches completely from the motor. It can be emptied from either end, though I find it better to take the filter out as it's quicker. There are 3 battery indicator lights which lets you know when a charge is needed. Suction does not decrease as the battery loses power. Detach the battery and it recharges in an hour, though the initial charge takes longer than this. The dust-seeking light is great in darker places, it's as effective on carpets as it is on smooth wooden and tiled floors. It fits comfortably in your hand, maneuverability is good and is a pleasure to use. Tech Deal of the Week: Apple is launching new tablets with a refreshed iPad Air and all new iPad Pro hitting UK stores. The iPad Air now boasts a more powerful M2 chip housed within its aluminium chassis, increased standard storage, new colors, improved connectivity and extended battery life. For the first time, this tablet also comes in 2 sizes, including a standard 11-inch display and a much larger 13-inch panel. If you're looking to go pro, Terry's a significant upgrade with the 2024 range featuring a super slim design, a greatly enhanced OLED screen that's brighter and an incredibly fast M4 processor which makes these tablets faster than most PC laptops. One deal that piqued our interest comes from Sky, who are offering the 11-inch Air with Wi-Fi and cellular from just £17 per month with no upfront fee and 100 megabytes of data included as well. You can learn more about the iPad Air deal on Sky's website here. This deal is based on a 48-month contract, with the total cost over 4 years coming to £816. In comparison, the same tablet from Apple costs £749, but this doesn't include any data and requires an upfront payment. Sky also offers other deals, including the 13-inch Air for £21 per month or the Pro for £27 per month. As we've previously noted, Sky isn't the only network offering iPads on contract, with Vodafone and EE also providing customers with the option to purchase these devices via a monthly plan. All Sky iPad deals available now. iPad Air M2 11-inch price, from £17 per month TOND CS, 48-month contract, £0 upfront fee. See deal here. iPad Air M2 13-inch price, from £21 per month TOND CS, 48-month contract, 100 MB data, £0 upfront fee. See deal here. iPad Pro M4 11-inch price, from £27 per month TOND CS, 48-month contract, 100 MB data, £0 upfront fee. See deal here. iPad Pro M4 13-inch price, from £34 per month TOND CS, 48-month contract, 100 MB data, £0 upfront fee. See deal here. One shopper did note that they felt the vacuum was hard to put together, as they added, "Very good vacuum. Good power and good battery life. The one thing I don't like about it is that I find the pieces very difficult to click together and am not weak. Goodness knows how anyone with weak hands would cope with this. However, overall it is a very good vacuum and am pleased I purchased it." Check out this Vax Hoover deal on Amazon here. Alternatively, B&Q has this Vitronics Nib 22 cordless 22 2V 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner available for £64.99. Also, Argos has this Bissell featherweight corded bagless upright vacuum cleaner on sale for £45. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our